Hello and welcome everybody, and in today's episode in our workshop we have a bicycle from Austria, PUCH ELEGANCE. As you can see, that's what's left from the bike, and that's the condition which when the bike come to me. So we try to replace missing parts with parts pegged correct, and we see how it comes. So today is just quick video because I try to start working on the bike, and condition which one the bike is will be changed. So let's take a quick have a look. Very nice chain guard. The bike looks like from late 70s, early 80s. Silver brown, metallic brown with gold stickers. Yeah, that's the condition. Which one you find the bikes now, it's very difficult to find something complete and decent condition. They're just disappearing, vintage bikes. Less and less of them all around. So at the moment, thank you guys, and see you when the bike is finished. See you later.